Well, hello everyone. Here we are aboard Run 'em Deep out on Lake Ontario doing some salmon fishing. Alright, we're having a pretty good morning out here on Lake Ontario. First 2 hours we hooked up on about 12 fish. Got 3 in the box. Released a couple small ones and a couple got off, but that happens. Tell them what we're running here, Kevin.
We're running the Carbon 14 blueberry muffin, two-face meat rig. It's been really hot this morning. Got 4 on that. Running a 500 copper out. Had the blueberry muffin on that. Got 2 on that already. So it's been a pretty good morning.
Fish in the boat.
Woo! Yeah, buddy. That's all we're after.
Running deep. Got a fish in the boat.
We have fish winding in a mature king salmon on the meat rig.
Okay everyone, just giving you a little update on the salmon fishing trip here on Lake Ontario. As you can see, we made it back to the cabin here where we're staying for the week. Had a really good day today. Got in about 30 fish on the line. Kept about 9. But we had a great day out on the water. Why don't you give a little update there, Kevin, on what was working and what wasn't?
No, it was a wonderful day on the lake. Rich said it was a mix. You know, started out early. The meat rigs were working with the two-face. Just got that one, and two-face meat rig. And then we were running a gator with atomic fly behind it on the other side, and took probably about 10 fish on the dipsies. All the rest came off of either the downriggers or the 500 copper. Blueberry muffin was working. We caught some on the dirty diaper, green frog. Just a good mix, and I got into some steelhead and some salmon today.
All right, well there you go. So overall, it's been a great day. Any day fishing is a great day in my opinion, but we were blessed to harvest some of God's creatures tonight. And got them all filleted and put them in the freezer already, so looking forward to getting them home and throwing them on the grill. All right, well that's the update for now. You all have a great night and great fishing.